Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Romano. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update as to what's going on with the stock market and what my predictions are for the last week of October. Before we continue the video, please remember to do thumbs up to say thank you. It's right there. Thank you so much. The last week of October, I see a devastation downward trend in our markets. I've seen this trend 6 months ago, and now again in August when I did my analysis work for the next 6 months. So when the data goes up and down and it starts to flicker, that means that the markets will actually go further down. And so it takes a certain amount of time for it to actually go down further than it is. This last week of October of 2022, you need to really prepare for it. I don't know what's going to happen with the government, what they're going to come out with and say this and say that. Maybe it's a government issue, maybe it's, I don't know what's going to happen, or just bad news. All I know is in August of 2022, when I did my research, I noticed that something was going to happen that week because it takes a certain amount of time for the stock market to go up and down and up and down. And if you know that ratio and you could predict it, you could predict when it will actually go down. Now, who am I? Well, I'm Dr. Hedge Fund. I have a PhD in finance, and I provided to the public on YouTube a number of trades that they could have made a lot of money on. And that I started on August of 2021. In December of 2021, I told you about the stock market drop between mid-July, mid-August, no later than the first week of September. It was actually the second week of September that it really did drop, but it started then. And of course, my timing is always not going to be 100% on target, but you'll know the trend as it happens. So maybe that the trend is happening now that the stock market's going down, but you have to remember what's happening in the commodities market. The commodities market is not making any sense right now. Why is gold prices going up and down $100? It should skyrocket because we had a stock market collapse since December of 2021. And it's just been a terrible year. So typically investors will also invest in gold so that it offsets their losses in the stock market. But it doesn't make any sense. In a previous video, I talked about a cryptocurrency that the government is going to come out with, and maybe they would actually back it by gold because gold prices right now don't make any sense. So maybe that's what's happening. But as to the last week of October, I just feel that it's going to be a very bad week. And the data is telling me this. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, do thumbs up, to say thank you. It's right there. It doesn't hurt. Thank you so much.